What's up, guys? Will H. As you guys see, I finally got my Samsung Galaxy S26 in. Got here a day or two early. I was supposed to get here Monday, but I'm glad it got here today. I got this from Google Fi. Big shout out to Jay Will for mentioning that in his video about how you can save some money. I've been with Google Fi for a while. Bought a couple of phones back in the day, and decided to go this route. Anyway, here we are. I got the white color. I was going to get the blue one, and then my next choice would have been the black. But I'm glad I got the white. It is a very nice looking device here. I don't think it's going to pick up many fingerprints. That's a subtle branding right there. Samsung, I do like the way they have did the camera layout here now, kind of like a plateau, I guess you could call it there. Very nice, man. I do like the sides, that they're kind of matte, not real glossy. You got your volume up and down, your power button right here. You're going to have your SD card slot, microphone, speaker, charging port, speaker, and then your S Pen. And everybody's talked about it, but this S Pen is the same color of the phone. I like that as well. You can put it in both ways, but it's not going to fit right unless you have it with the curvature right there. So here it is, going around it, very nice. It feels lighter in the hand compared to when I had the S25 Ultra, but here it is. Feels very, very nice, man. So haven't did anything here, but just put my sign-in information. Haven't added any apps or anything like that. And this is the wallpaper out of the box. You still got your news feed over here. This is some of the stuff you get on there. You get your Google stuff, Microsoft stuff here. And if you go in, just not much stuff here. You got your Samsung stuff, if I didn't mention that. Calculator, things like that. Not sure what this is, Plexity, or whatever it's called there. Not sure what that is. But yeah, so let's go into the settings. Take a look around here. Let's go to display. I want to make sure that this is set on 120. It's on adaptive, so I'll leave it at that. We're going to go to the resolution. I'm going to leave it on vivid, and then we're going to check out the screen resolution. I want this to be on QHD plus, and yeah, so that's what that's looking like there. Let's go check out the storage. See how much. I got the 512 gigabyte as well. Let's check and see how much storage is on here. All right, so here's the storage right here. So out of the 512, it's using it's using only 34.6 gigabytes out of the 512. So not too bad right there. So I'm gonna go back. I do want to change from these buttons here. So let's go back to display again. And navigation bar, we're gonna go to gestures. Swipe gestures, okay. And there we are. And then last thing I want to look at is what this is running on now. So let's go to software information. And as you guys see, this is on One UI version 8.1, Android version 16. So, all right, guys. So the last thing I want to do is do a size comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you guys see, I have the Cosmic Orange iPhone, and here it is. So the Samsung seems to be a little bit longer. They feel about the same in size, same thickness in the hand. And then here's the bottom of it here, checking out the two of them. And you guys can see the different way they made the cameras here. But yeah, man, I just wanted to do a quick size comparison with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and finish the video. That is pretty much all I want to talk about on this video. Just want to give my impressions, introduce this to the channel, and I will have cases, screen protectors. I'll do some other videos about this, checking out the cameras, things like that. But yeah, man, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has made it. I do like the white color. I'm glad I picked it up. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.